Alright, so what is price action? As I have already mentioned, price action is a misunderstood concept. And I think the most simple way to actually think about price action is that price action is about how the price is moving now. So price action is when we really zoom in on the chart and take a look at what is the current candle doing or what are the last couple of candles doing. So for example, on this image right here, price action is not about, finding our support and resistance levels. Price action is more about how the price is reacting to said levels. So for example, if you take a look at this reaction right here of support, you can see that it's very different compared to this reaction right here. And this reaction of resistance is very different from this little reaction right here. And price action is about understanding these small details and how we can use these details to make better trading decisions. And this right here is very important. Price action is micro, while market structure is macro. So you might have heard of the term market structure before. And market structure is basically when we zoom out and take a look at the whole chart. This is where we identify, for example, trends. We identify our major support and resistance levels, swing moves and pullbacks, and so on and so on. While price action is micro. Micro basically means that we really zoom in and take a look at the small details. To watch my full price action trading course, simply click or tap on the screen right here. I hope I will see you all in the full course very soon.